Hi guys, hello guys. So today, what am I doing? Selamat datang balik ke saya punya channel. Jadi, what am I doing today is saya akan reviewkan kepada korang apa yang saya nak review. This one. Tada! Alright, this one is actually the Pokemon apa dah nama dia? Lupa. Okay, Pokemon CrystalCot. And this one is exclusive free gift. Not free gift actually, you purchase this one daripada TGV Cinemas. Jadi saya dan my partner and a few teams of us just went to TGV. Kita baru tengok Agent Ali, Home of Heroes. Kita baru tengok Agent Ali. Ini adalah Agent ID card dia. It's actually a short form for System Advanced Tactical Red Intelligence Armor. Panjang. Gigih korang buat ni. Korang buat print, buat satu kad. Aduh, korang memang gigih lah. And then with my purchase, saya tengok tadi dekat counter dia ada Pokemon CrystalCot, and it is limited edition I think. Ya, dekat cawangan TGV dekat Kuching dia ada ni je. Dia ada yang ini, lepas tu another 4 I think. Tapi dia tak ada Paumi. Jadi Pokemon CrystalCot is here. Catch the sparkle with Bandai 2025 new collections featuring translucent mascot filled with colorful beans and hidden face beans. And from the iconic Pikachu to 4 adorable Gen 9 stars, Fuecoco, Quaxly, Sprigatito, and Paumi. They are perfect for display and available now at all TGV cinemas while stock lasts. For more information, blah blah blah. Jadi yang ada dekat tangan saya sekarang adalah we have Sprigatito, I think. Sprigatito. It's on greens. It's on green Sprigatito. And dia ada 5 line up. Ada Port C, which is this one. Ini adalah Port C. Everything was in Japan. How can I read this? Everything is in Japan. Jadi aku terpaksa pergi dia punya official website untuk tengok apa nama satu-satu dia. Sudah semestinya I know this one, Pikachu, right? Okay, this one is Pikachu, and this one is Paumi, and this is Quaxly, this one is Fuecoco, and then this one is the Sprigatito, which is in the box, and this one is from the Bandai Namco. This is not sponsored. This is all is from my own money. Focus. Yeah, this is from my own money. Okay. So now we're gonna unbox this. Let's go. So how to open? So I think they stir it up. Okay, wow, so simple itu kah kehidupanku? Okay. Oh my god, I don't want to read this box. Okay, wow, bau kotaknya. Bau kotak. Alright, here it is. Tan-tadan. Oh, so this is the bin. What should we do with the bin? Apa yang kita patut guna? We have the yellow one, about 20 pieces. Apa nak guna apa untuk bin ni? I don't know. We have the yellow bin, and then so what does this bin mean? So sekarang dia ada cakap yang okay, dekat box actually I think all of this is the warning, and then okay, kita tengok yang dalam itu. Kita buka ini. Okay, kita ada wow. Oh, yang ni yang face tu kan? Yang this one is actually the face something. Sekejap, kita buka lah dulu. Alright, kita dah buka. Jadi inilah yang ini adalah dia punya crystal clear display. Comel. Dia warna hijau. Can you guys see it? Yes, itu. Dia warna hijau and the crystal clear is super cute. Finishing dia sumpah nice. Then dia akan bagi satu penutup. Please focus please. Ini adalah penutup di bawah dia ya. Ini penutup bawah dia. Lepas tu kita akan ada little face icon I think. This one. Ini comel. Dia comel lepas tu dia kecil. Can you guys on it? Okay. Right. So ini adalah apa yang kita dapat dalam ini. Jadi setahu saya apa yang mereka tunjukkan dalam mereka punya website adalah we have the 5 line up, and then they insert all these beans into these little things. Okay, so let's go. Kita masukkan. Aku tak tahulah apa, but then maybe this is the part where we cash the sparkle and create the magic. Okay, kita tengok. This is the first pins. Kita keluarkan masuk hijau, dan kita masukkan dalam ini. ASMR. My mic is actually here, so goyang. Okay. So this is next one. ASMR ke? Kita masukkan dalam. Alright, next one. Nak balik rumah sebab nak unboxing ni dia. Alright, then this one is the last one, the pearl yang warna pink. Masukkan dalam ni. Yeah, then the last one we use this penutup yang dia bagi tadi, kita tutupkan balik ke dalam ni. Okay, yang kita masukkan dia. Yes, and that's all. Oh, dia jadi macam ni. Jadi dia bin macam ni. Okay, it's like this. Comel dalam ni. Jadi kalau korang nak, dia boleh masuk di kepala. Okay, aku suka detail dia. Kalau korang boleh tengok kan, boleh tak korang tengok dekat sikit? Boleh. Hapuskan. Hapus please. Yes. Nice finishing. That's all from here. Okay, that's all from here. We have another 1, 2, 3, 4. We have another 4 collection that we might discover or we might buy, but I don't know, because we need to purchase the popcorn, and then we can purchase this a la carte, but you guys need to go to the TGV websites or the apps its own. Korang kena pergi ke apa tu, TGV punya apps. Lepas tu korang bolehlah tengok macam mana nak beli dekat ni. Rasanya setiap daerah, setiap negeri lain-lain. Jadi korang lebih baik pergi sendiri ke TGV dan tanya mereka macam mana nak beli ke ini dengan package yang mereka ada lagi. This is it, the small thing. Dia sekarang akan bersama-sama saya punya ini. This one I purchased from Miniso. Miniso ada banyak jual benda ni. Dia rasanya hari tu saya ada tengok ada beberapa line up lagi, mungkin ada 6 atau 7 line up. Ya, jadi ini adalah one of it. Thank you for watching. Now we have 2 collections for now. We have 2 collections, but we don't know apa yang akan jadi for the next time. So maybe I will search more limited edition. Okay, ini just to upload for my shorts because I don't know what to upload. So yes, I will upload this one. So inilah dia for 2 collections from Pokemon, and then that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.